Ever wondered what happens when a simple sketch meets the power of artificial intelligence? Watch this. From a few simple lines to a breathtaking, vibrant masterpiece. This isn't magic. It's the future of art. We started with just a basic outline of a landscaper horizon, a few hills, maybe a tree. Then, we let the AI take over. It began to weave in colors, textures, and details I couldn't have even imagined. Notice how it adds the soft glow of the sun, the intricate patterns on the leaves, and the gentle ripples in the water. Each element is generated with incredible precision, turning a blank canvas into a living, breathing world. It's like collaborating with a creative partner that has an infinite imagination. This technology is changing the game for artists and creators everywhere. What do you think of this transformation? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing AI art creations. Thanks for watching.